Okay, the house is equipped with a central vacuuming system so that you can vacuum the entire house essentially with the hose here that is going to plug into the central vacuuming duct system, and you will find these openings throughout the house. Basically you just need to lift, and inside there's that two little prongs there. You just need to slide the tip of the hose into here, a click, and that engages and turns on the system. And this part is the wand handle here, on and off, and just slide that into the vacuum head here and turn it on and off, on and off. This the hosing and the wand here is kept in the closet downstairs by the stairs, and the actual vacuuming container, so to speak, is in the garage, and it sucks everything into that container in the garage. So that's how you can vacuum the entire house, carpet and tile floors.